All right, we're at the condos. Hello, Harvey. And time for some trimming. We're going to be cutting back some limbs, trimming all the shrubs, you know, all these low-hanging and dead limbs that are hanging into the shrubs, and just cleaning this up, making it look pretty. Get some of these limbs that hit us when we're mowing. But I mean, I don't know that that's 1 year of growth. I'm not sure how. Maybe it is. But yeah, all this needs some TLC. Got broken branches. Oh boy. Hanging. So yeah, we're gonna clean this up, trying to get some video footage of befores. So if you're new here, this is over 20 acre, I think it's 25 acre property. It has like condos and houses, and so we have a 2-year contract here. So yeah, this is what we're here to do this week. So let's get at it. All right. These guys are looking a little better. Have a little space between branches and shrubs. Cut a bunch of the low-laying limbs. Christian sees the camera coming. So I'm gonna go through and just hand cut to finish. Joe's going ahead at these. These are the biggest in this section. Joe's trying to clean them up. All right, we're hoping these fill in and then we can kind of spruce them up better by fall. There's very little to work with. 2 big ones, a little one. The back is all sparse, but everything else looks pretty good. Oh, I want to trim right there, I think. But all these other ones look good. There's stuff growing all up out of the ground, so we trimmed them all, made them look good. And Christian is hopped over here. Harvey is gonna run into me. Not really. And we're gonna hop over here. There's tons of like pine needles that have fallen this year. So we're gonna blow these out and bag them so that this whole section is looking much, much better. Is your shirt all sweat?
Probably.
We've done one section of 100 and poor Joe's already dying. All right, blowers are in. You're gonna take the, all right. All right. We're gonna park this up here. We got the blowers. We're gonna start cleaning up some of the pine needles. I think the guys are all done over here, more or less. This is looking way cleaner. Look at that mound of pine needles. You can see how far up the tree trunk. But we blew them all out. Joe's picking them up. I'm taking a water break. The other boys are taking a water break, and Joe is still at it. Just from that one area. I mean pine needles. Oh my god, I can't talk. Thank you. Look at all them pine cones.
Look at all them pine leaves.
Pine leaves. Y'all are funny. All right. section's done. Moving on to a new section. Did some over there. Got my rake. And Joe is going at it over here. Doing the front, and I'm going to do the back. Try and take some of the dead stuff off, and then rake it up.
And if it's like down any shrubs or whatever, just flip it as low as we can.
This is taking over the house. So we're going to be cutting it out.
Physically cannot reach that. No, but
Oh boy.
isn't it all on the power? Is that coming? Yeah, up top. Fine. Yeah. It's going. Yep. There we go. Too easy. Look at that. That's crazy.
That is not 1 year, is it?
No, there's nothing
Of growth?
sweet about that. It's all just bitter.
That was good. That was good. Harvey, words of wisdom. Just bitter.
Kind of like me. How am I supposed to get this?
Oh. Gotta be quicker than that.
Good news is there's like 12,000 vines that go into the ground, so this is all still stuck. Yeah, I cut it above the box. And then I didn't recut it.
This is quite the mess. I don't know if the camera actually does it justice.
Oh, and there's a bee's nest right here.
Perfect. You can get stung and not bitter
Oh, no,
at
that's
the
like
same
2 years
time.
old.
Oh, okay. So you're good.
Then,
The bees didn't like the bittersweet either. They moved out. That one might just have to stay.
you can make that longer. Don't know if that helps you though.
All right. I suppose I should help Christian. Is that what you're trying to drag it out? I think I got Christian's beat. He's got a barrel. I got half the house. I'll drag it out, but the boys can load it. All right, we got all the bittersweet off the house. Joe and boys trimmed up all these limbs that were hanging down. And now Joe's just sucking up the debris. Looking a little better, eh? I bet you couldn't even tell there were shrubs and hostas in here before. We are all dripping sweat. It's kind of a hot, it's like a humid, it's not overly hot, but with you working, feels like you're like half dying. But we're making a big difference. Everything's looking better, and we'll be in here for a couple, 2-3 more days doing this, but the end result will be wonderful.
Can eat them all.
I haven't got any of this on video, but the boys may or may not be.
In the comments, tell us if we're gonna die or not.
They're eating these crab apples, and what did you Google, Christian?
If crab apples were poisonous,
After the fact.
yeah. So it
They
turns
are.
out just the core is poisonous with cyanide.
So I mean,
So we're gonna go with the seeds are poisonous.
Yeah,
so they're
And-
still eating
and
them.
they're just gonna build a tolerance to them.
They just dump out the seeds and hope for the best.
Yeah, I only had like one, and I didn't eat the seeds. Or I don't think I ate the core, so I'm probably not gonna die. They might.
So it's we'll check back in 5-10 minutes and see if they're still
I'm gonna
still
go grab the
going.
1 ton now.
Oh, so side note, if they shall pass, we're going to be looking for 2 employees.
Please send your resumes to. Oh boy. All right. Well, I'm off to get Bentley and then I'll come back to work.
Okay.
We'll see.
Food.
Yes, food.
Oh Lord, this
F-U-D.
one. This one would be okay if something happened to him.
Yeah, eat some more apples.
All right, but for real, I'll be back.
For real. I'm gonna go park this by the truck then, and we'll work down to another section.
All right, good work. Good job, boys.
You might want to bring that with you.
You too.
I'm gonna go dump this.
All right, lunch is over. We're back. We're in the back section of the property, picking up some more pine needles, not pine cones. And I'm on the mower. Joe's cutting some limbs. The boys are on blowers. We got about an hour left and then we're gonna call it a day. Let's see what we can get done. but we're just kind of trying to get a grasp on where what's left and what we start when we get back on Friday. And also with our side-by-side, if we can go and plow all the sidewalks, if this will fit in all the places.
So, like all these driveways.
So yeah, we're thinking all these like kind of little driveways instead of jig-jogging a big truck with a plow and a sander, that this side-by-side might actually be good for sidewalks and to be poking driveways open. So leave in the comments if you plow and you've ever plowed, you know, commercially. Have you with a side by side, and how did it work? Let us know.
Like a glove.
Wait. Never mind.
Oh, the glove. Whoa. Then we have to flip it. Nailed it.
Oh, that was a that was a doozy.
You ran out of talent.
That was good on the spin effort. The landing just was weak.
Yeah, it was like.
We're gonna look up that brand and send it to like
We
Spencer's.
definitely didn't buy that one.
Stole it.
Oh my! Stop.
It's a Wapco.
Why does it say Concord Police right here?
No, it doesn't. You're such a jerk.
Joey's looking.
Yeah.
We did not steal
Wapco,
it.
93.
No, that.
Harvey's gonna get me in trouble for something I didn't do.
No, we stole the other one, not that one.
Oh my God, Bentley, you're no better. You're not helping.
Oh, my bad.
We are not stealing road cones. Relax, we are not. All right, good work for the 10 minutes you were here. Good work. Good
I'm
work.
gonna put a mower on the side by side.
Good work.
So you can like mow as a team, and then the person in the passenger side can have a weed whacker, and you just
Hey, now you're thinking.
That's pretty smart.
All right, well, until next time, it's been a nice, hot, sweaty
2, 3,
day.
4, 5. I'll drive by myself.
All right, we'll see you next time, YouTube.
I'm also driving by myself.